Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to delete an instance in AWS. All right. For this example, I'm going to be showing you how to delete an AWS supply chain. Now, first up, go ahead and log into your AWS console. Now, once you're in here, go to the very top and click on the search function. Now type in AWS supply chain. Now, once this one pops up, just go ahead and click on it and you will be landed to the same exact page. All right. If you are not on the dashboard, just click on the dashboard and this page will load. Now, once you're in here, we have the instance details. It suggests that you review everything right here. And once you're really sure that you wanted to delete this particular instance or supply chain instance, just go ahead and click on delete. And there will be a pop-up that says you're about to delete this instance, the instance name and the URL. It says that it will be permanently deleted. All right. Just type in delete in the box below to confirm the deletion of this instance. Just type in delete like that and hit on delete. It says here it is deleting. Just wait for it. And once it's done, you're good to go. All right. It may take some time and it may seem stuck. Just basically wait for it and it will just eventually delete itself. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.